Imagine you've just been appointed the caretaker of a vast and valuable library, a treasure trove of knowledge that can guide decisions, shape strategies, and illuminate paths forward. But there's a catch. This library, representing your company's financial data, is in complete disrepair. Books, your transactions are scattered everywhere. Some are on the floor, some are hidden in nooks and crannies, and others are in stacks so precarious they threaten to topple at any moment. Your task, daunting yet vital, is to transform this chaos into order, ensuring that every piece of knowledge, not just a book, but every page can be found precisely when it's needed, providing clarity and insight. This narrative introduces you, the user of the financial statement, to the comprehensive chart of accounts concept as your ultimate filing system in this venture. In our video, Mastering Your Financials with a Comprehensive Chart of Accounts, think of the chart of accounts as the most sophisticated, adaptable filing system imaginable. It's not merely labeling folders and drawers, but creating a system that reflects your business's unique structure and needs. A system where every entry has a place, and every detail can be tracked and analyzed precisely. Tailoring profit and loss accounts is akin to setting up detailed sections in our library for book genres, ensuring that fiction, non-fiction, poetry, and research are not only separate, but further divided into subcategories. This allows you to find exactly the type of book you're looking for without searching through unrelated titles. This step provides clear insight into operational costs and areas of your business that are thriving or may need attention. Structuring your balance sheet, on the other hand, is like organizing books into new releases and classics. You know which books are just passing through and which will stay and enrich your library for years to come. This method gives you an immediate sense of your library's or business's current standing and future potential. Lastly, industry-specific considerations ensure that if your library is specialized, say in history, art, or science, your filing system accommodates these genres' unique needs and nuances. It's about ensuring that a rare vintage photograph isn't filed under contemporary digital prints, or that a precious historical manuscript isn't lost among modern history textbooks. This video is your guide to mastering this intricate system, converting what initially appears as a tower of chaos into a well-oiled machine that not only houses your business transactions, but leverages them for insight, growth, and strategic planning. Welcome to the beginning of your journey toward mastering your financials with a comprehensive chart of accounts.
Welcome to our Business Navigator education channel. Today, we're diving into one of the cornerstones of effective management and strategic planning, the chart of accounts, or COA for short. Think of it as the backbone of your company's financial reporting and decision-making processes. A well-structured chart of accounts doesn't just organize your profit and loss statements and balance sheets. It paves the way for insightful analysis like break-even analysis, liability management, etc. Let's break it down, shall we? Section 1. Tailoring profit and loss accounts. By incorporating subgroups like employee-related costs, property expenses, and insurance into your P&L accounts, you gain crystal clear insight into where your money's going. This is the fuel for operational planning and precision in expense management. And speaking of precision, these subgroups are critical for effective break-even analysis. Knowing exactly when your business will start profiting has never been easier. Your balance sheet tells a story. Organizing assets and liabilities into current and non-current lets you narrate your company's financial health and long-term viability. Tailoring your chart of accounts allows for this story to be accurate and informative. Imagine managing assets and liabilities without a clear structure. It's like playing a board game without knowing the rules. It's confusing and unproductive. Section 3. Industry-specific considerations. One size does not fit all in chart of accounts. Whether in manufacturing, retail, or services, customizing your chart of accounts to your industry and specific business operations is paramount. Section 4. The power of break-even analysis. This is where the magic happens. With a well-tailored chart of accounts, pinpointing the moment you start making a profit becomes not just possible but simple. There you have it, folks. Building a detailed and well-organized chart of accounts is not just financial tidying, it's a strategic masterpiece. It empowers your business to navigate the financial landscape, armed with clarity and ready to make informed decisions. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Till our next finance feast, keep those numbers crunching.